Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to round corners in Photoshop. First of all, open your image in Photoshop and all you have to do is go to the layers and click on this lock button to unlock your layer. Once your layer has been unlocked, all you have to do is go to the layer on the top left corner. From here, click on it and select layer mask and select reveal all. Now from here, all you have to do is select this white box from here, click on it, and then all you have to do is select this rectangle tool. Now you have to increase the number of pixels to 150. Hit enter. Now draw a rectangular. As you can see, I am drawing a rectangle and the corners are rounded. Once I select the image, for example, I will select from here. Now all you have to do is click on mask. Once I click on mask, as you can see, my picture has been converted into rounded corners. From here, all you have to do is go to file and export this file as a PNG, and that's how you can round corners in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.